Hey guys, here we go with a quick unboxing of this this Shogun Rocket candle assortment. I picked this up at Red Apple around July 10th or so. When I was there visiting on my way back, I picked this up. It was 16 bucks. So I want to point out a few things on this set that I got here. I'm not sure what these numbers are. I thought they were expiration numbers, but I don't know. Maybe somebody could tell me in the comments, let me know what's up with that. But I noticed here on the back, when I was looking at it the other day, that I found interesting. Well, first of all, it was this Firework safety tips, do's and don'ts. If you don't see these, I don't see them personally on a lot of rocket packs, but I thought it was very interesting how they have this, you know, not just written out, but they got like, you know, pictures and everything going on here on exactly how to handle fireworks. And, you know, there's this guy says, you know, don't do that with it, or, you know, light one firework at a time. You got this guy throwing it in the bucket of water, and then this guy walking around with a firecracker or something in his pocket, in his back pocket. I'm sure many of us have probably did something that's similar. Don't hold anything in your hand or point it at anybody. And I believe that's never drink alcohol and light fireworks at the same time. Well, anyhow. So what I also found interesting was the date on this. 2006. It's kind of a while back, man. This pack is kind of old if it was back in 2006. So I don't know, I just thought that was interesting. Looking at, let me get a good view of this thing right here from the back. There we go. So yeah, I found that interesting. So, you know, let's just get into it, man. Let's pull out and see what they got in here. It's kind of old, so it's just kind of crumbling. This plastic here is just kind of crumbling and falling apart already anyway, so it might be kind of old. Slide this over here. Pull this out. There we go, right there. 1.4. There's nothing on the back side, so I'm gonna set it over here. We'll start out with these candles right here on top. Oh man, they're all taped together right here. Anyhow, these are magical color candles, 5 balls. Oh, there's your performance right there. And it's all the same. Yep, they're all the same. In the bag, so I got these, 4 of those. I'll start with these little smaller rockets right here. I got a couple of bees rockets. I don't believe I see a performance on here either. And I got these ones over here. Butterflies rocket. And it's the same thing. All right, put these over here. And then we got these candles. 2 different size candles right here. Magical candles. One of them is a 10-ball crackling candle. And another one is an 8-ball magical crackling candle. And so far, all the products that I've laid out are all from Shogun. So now we got these stick rockets. I think some of these are smaller. Okay, they're all taped up together. I don't know why they did that, but try to put them all together here. Looks like some of these are a little bit bigger than the other ones. We've got some smaller ones right here. Take this off without trying to rip the label off of them. So I got these 2, and then these rockets right here. There's a little bit of powder or something in here. I don't know what that is. So anyhow, we have these Shogun Super 6 rockets, gold strobe. And that's all it says on it. Then we have, let's see if I can take this off right here. Okay, got that one loose. We got two of those gold strobe rockets. Then we got one of these Super 6 rockets, red color. That's all that one says. And then we got three of these bigger rockets, Super 6 rocket, Crackling. All right, moving on. And these little last one, these ones right here, they're a little smaller version, but they're the same thing. These are a little bit smaller. These are Crackling as well. Crackling rockets is just a little smaller version. So yeah, there you go, you guys. We got two of these, three of these, and one of these. And you got your cutter bees, or your bees and your butterfly rockets, and your candles. So that's what's inside this Shogun rocket candle assortment pack. 8 candles, 12 rockets. All right, you guys. I think we'll, I want to try out one of these Crackling rockets, man. I don't know, we'll see. You know what? Let's do it, man. Let's go try one real quick and check it out.